Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green mango from seed. First, choose a ripe mango, as its seed will have a higher success rate for germination. After enjoying the fruit, thoroughly clean the seed, ensuring no pulp remains. Then, carefully open the fibrous husk to reveal the inner seed. This step requires a bit of patience to avoid damaging the delicate seed inside. Once extracted, your seed is ready for the next stage of preparation. Now, let's get that seed to sprout. One effective method is the paper towel technique. Wrap your clean seed in a damp paper towel, then place it inside a plastic bag or container. Keep it in a warm spot, checking for sprouts every few days. Another option is direct planting in a small pot with good drainage, burying the seed about 1 inch deep. Both methods require consistent moisture and warmth to encourage successful germination. Once your mango seed has sprouted, it's time to give it a proper home. Carefully transfer the young seedling to a larger pot, about 8 to 10 inches in diameter, filled with well-draining, nutrient-rich potting mix. Make sure the pot has adequate drainage holes to prevent root rot. Place your potted seedling in a location where it can receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Consistent watering is key, but avoid overwatering. As your mango tree grows, continue to provide consistent care. Water it regularly, but always check that the top 1 inch of soil is dry before watering again to prevent oversaturation. Fertilize your young tree every 2 to 3 months with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer to support its development. Remember, patience is crucial as mango trees take time to mature and bear fruit. Also, for staying refreshed while gardening, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.